Unlocking the power of large language models. Ever wondered how AI writes essays, chats fluently, or codes like a pro? Large language models, LLMs, like GPT, make it possible. These systems process massive amounts of text to predict and generate human-like responses, transforming how machines understand and communicate. LLMs are powered by advanced neural networks trained on billions of words. They analyze patterns, context, and meaning to deliver eerily accurate outputs. From answering questions to drafting emails, these models learn from data, not directly programmed, to perform diverse tasks. They're revolutionizing industries, from customer support to content creation. AI-powered tools save time, enhance productivity, and make complex tasks easier. But they also spark debates about ethics, bias, and trustworthiness, issues shaping the future of AI adoption. Larger models with even more sophisticated abilities are coming, promising groundbreaking innovations. However, balancing their potential with ethical responsibility is crucial to ensure they're used for good. Curious about how AI is reshaping the world? Like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more insights into the tech shaping our future. Let's decode the AI revolution together.